complaint this evening that a number of MPs are having to fork out thousands to help repair and upgrade some institutions. It is why Member of Parliament for North West Manchester, Michael Phillips, is calling on the Education Ministry to do more to improve the infrastructure of schools, especially in rural Jamaica.
Every child can learn. Every child must learn. The slogan of the Education Ministry. But
because if you create an environment that is not conducive for learning, that it is more difficult for that child to learn.
Member of Parliament for North West Manchester, Michael Phillips, is talking about what he describes as the deplorable state of some schools in the island, particularly those in rural areas. He says the responsibility has fallen on him to address these issues in a number of schools in his constituency, but he feels this isn't his job.
I try to differentiate my role as MP from that of the Ministry of Education. And how different are we? Because if it is a bathroom, then say call the MP. If it's a classroom, then say call the MP. If it's a fencing, then say call the MP. And my principals can attest that many a times I resist those calls. The reason being is because there's a role for the Ministry of Education.
He says he has also refused because covering the expenses for these upgrades would also mean he'd have to divert funds from other projects he's responsible for. It's why he wants the ministry to step up. He used an ongoing crisis at the Mile Gully High School in Manchester as an example.
We have been told by the Ministry of Education that we only have 5 classrooms that are habitable for students to learn in. 5.
The school's population is over 700.
And no matter how much we plead and we beg, we still, even after getting 40 acres of land from Windalco, we still have not seen anything moving forward.
Neighboring Mile Gully Primary School is facing a similar situation. The MP is hoping to see changes going into the new year.
And hoping that in the future, that we can see rural schools as greatly important to our education system as we do see schools in urban centers and what we call the top-notch schools.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.